How to sync Snapchat messages. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to sync Snapchat messages, you need to follow the simple steps. For that, first check your internet connection and update the app. Ensure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or data connection and update the Snapchat to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play Store according to your device, whether you're using iPhone or Android devices. You can search for Snapchat application and then simply go ahead, and if you see an update button over there, simply tap on it to update it to its latest and newest version available. Another thing you can do is you can try logging out of your Snapchat account and log back in. For that, you need to tap on the profile picture in the top left corner, then tap on the gear icon to go to settings. Then after, scroll all the way down in the settings page and tap on log out. Confirm to log out this account and log back in to refresh your account and sync messages. Another thing you can do is you can adjust the chat settings. In each chat, tap on your friend's name and then you can go to the chat settings. You will see different options over here, and here is set it to either after viewing or 24 hours after viewing to keep messages accessible across devices for a longer period. And before logging in to your new phone, go back to your memories, go to your profile, go to settings, and then scroll down in the privacy section, then tap on memories tab, and make sure that the smart backup is turned on. Snapchat messages sync automatically when you log into your account on any device. Manual syncing is not required. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.